Let's say you want to start a YouTube channel and you have no idea what to make your channel about. And I don't blame you, because over time so many trends come and go. So something that was trending in like 2011, let's say, and you post that same video now, it probably isn't going to get the same amount of views. And that's just simply because trends change over time. So today I'm going to be going over 10 different niches that you can make money with YouTube and while having a faceless channel. And some of these niches even have a low supply with a high demand ratio, which just essentially means there's not a lot of creators making content within these niches. However, a lot of people would view these videos if creators were putting them out there. So I've come up with some broad niche topics, but within these broad niches, I also have some sub niches as well. And within all of these niches, the opportunity for monetization is truly just endless. So the first broad niche topic that I have is simply going to be a wealth niche. And for example, you are watching a subcategory of a wealth niche channel right now, because the theme of my channel is simply just making money online, which is the first sub niche that I want to go into. And I personally got into this because my brother Matt has a channel called Make Money Matt, where he talks about everything to do with making money with YouTube and making money online. And he's also helped me so much with just learning about the making money online world. But with that being said, there are so many different questions on how to make money online that people are always going to be watching videos about how to do so. And my brother's channel has over 600,000 subscribers, and he's getting around 1 million views a month. And along with his channel, there are a handful of other making money online channels out there, and most of them that I see, they are doing very well. But you might be thinking, Kayla, I thought we were talking about faceless YouTube channels. Well, a making money online niche is something that you could create a faceless channel around as well. For example, there is a channel called The Prodigy, and they have over 400,000 subscribers. And the niche of this channel is, you guessed it, making money online. And making a YouTube video without actually having to film a YouTube video sounds a little bit impossible at first, but if you view this channel like The Prodigy, you can see that they just compile a bunch of different stock photos and videos, and then they just put in AI generated voiceover the stock footage clips. And when it comes to creating a script, you could also use the help of ChatGPT to generate what this other AI voice is gonna say. And this channel is getting an average of 300,000 views per month, which in terms of money, that is easily around $20,000 in just 1 month, and not even having to sit in front of a camera at all. But when it comes to creating faceless content, there is a variety of different ways that you could do it. You could compile different stock photos and videos and do a voiceover, or you could even screen record your computer and do a voiceover that way. And this is exactly what Branson Tay is doing with his channel. And his channel is interesting to me as he screen records his computer screen, and then he teaches about something like affiliate marketing or how to make money with ClickBank. But with his channel, he puts a little picture of his face in the corner while his video is still playing. So this way you're seeing him, but at the same time you're not seeing him actually talking and doing the voiceover. And I kind of like how he does this because it builds sort of a sense of trust when you do show your face online. And with his videos, he is earning around $25,000 a month. And this is all by just talking about different ways that you can be making money online. And then within the whole wealth category niche on YouTube, there's also a sub niche of finance tips. And these are videos that just have anything to do with financing. Whether this just be learning how to simply save your money or how to invest your money, how to invest in yourself. Now, an example of a channel that dives into the finance world would be a channel called The Financial Diet. And this channel is just simply run by two people that work together, and then they came together to just educate other people about the finance world. Now, their channel is seen to be getting around 2.9 million views a month. And with these views, they are making around 30 to 35K in just 1 month, which is wild. And this isn't even including any different types of sponsored videos they make or maybe affiliate marketing that they do. But if you own any type of business other than running a YouTube channel, a wealth niche would be a great niche to jump into. Because, for example, let's say you're selling a course or an ebook. This would be a perfect place to be promoting these types of products to people. And then for example, on top of my brother having a YouTube channel, he also sells a course called Tube Mastery and Monetization. And this just teaches people the roots of starting a YouTube channel and how to make money with one. So he paired having a YouTube channel with selling a course. And that is really smart because he has an audience within the making money online niche. So if you put that together with a course on how to make money with a YouTube channel, it's the perfect match. You've got people that would want to buy the course and just people that would get value from what he is trying to sell. Now, the next main niche topic that I have is going to be a health niche. And a health niche is a niche that is sort of timeless in a way because people are always going to have questions to be answered within the world of health. And it's a niche that applies to such a wide variety of an audience, whether you are younger or you are older. Just at any age, people have questions about their health. And I'm sure some of you out there, I don't know if it's just me, but let's say sometimes you have a really stuffy nose and you want to get rid of that congestion so bad, but you don't know how to. This is when I would hop on over to YouTube and watch some videos about how to relieve congestion. So that's just an example I could think of off the top of my head. And it's kind of funny when I think about it because I've been doing Google searches like that on YouTube like 5 years ago. So that just sort of goes to show how timeless a health niche is going to be. And the first sub niche that I'm going to jump into is going to be the world of gaining muscles. Maybe I need to watch some videos about that. A channel that I always take note of within my videos is a channel called Body Hub. And I do this for a few reasons. One being this is just a great example of a faceless YouTube channel. But for today's video, it is also a great example of a fitness and health channel. This channel has over 1 million subscribers and their most popular video has gotten 200 million views. Now, I'm about to blow your guys' mind for just a second because we're gonna break down how much this channel is making. So if we do some calculating and just assume the CPM to be around 10 or 20, and then doing a little extra math here and there, we can see that the channel Body Hub is getting $47,000 per month. I thought I read that wrong. They are getting $47,000 per month. But if there's a channel like Body Hub out there already creating content within the health and fitness niche, then how would it be possible for somebody else to create a channel like this and grow just as much? And the truth is, with a YouTube channel, you just need valuable content. You don't necessarily need crazy, outrageous, professional editing or a script that is completely mind-blowing and profound. For example, if we hop back on over to the Body Hub channel, we can see none of their video ideas are really that crazy and out of the ordinary. They simply just compile different stock photos and videos together and slap a voiceover on there and edit it all together. Which, when it comes to different aspects of creating a YouTube video, you could hire different people to do all of these different steps for you, or let's just say you aren't too strong in the editing field. You could hire somebody to do that for you off of like Fiverr or Upwork. And when it comes to scripting, it can be a little bit confusing because you're like, I don't know what to write about. Like I was saying earlier, ChatGPT is such a great tool to help guide you with your scripts or even write your scripts overall. And then of course you could go back in within the ChatGPT script and add your own touches here and there. And the great thing with creating a faceless YouTube channel is you don't need any crazy expensive gear or camera to get started. For example, if you're creating a voiceover on a video like Body Hub's channel, you could just use your phone microphone. But if you don't want to use your own voice within your YouTube videos, that is totally fine as well because AI has your back once again. A tool such as 11 Labs is a very good way to put your script into words without even having to talk at all. And then when it comes to different stock videos, you can get a ton of different content from Pixabay or Pexels. So let's say you have a script idea all written out and you have stock photos and videos, but you don't know what to do with all of this. It's simply time to just edit that all together, and you can do this with a completely free video editing software. A software that I always use is one that is called CapCut, and I realized a few days ago that I might have been saying CapCut wrong this whole time because I always say CapCut, but I feel like it's actually CapCut because there's no E. It wouldn't be Cape, it'd be CapCut. So a free video editing software called CapCut. And when it comes to creating different video ideas, you can even utilize ChatGPT. But like I was saying earlier, your video ideas don't need to be too crazy, especially within the gaining muscle niche. For example, with Body Hub, they created a video on how to gain muscles doing push-ups, and it has gained over 1 million views just by doing this. Another way you could create faceless content within this niche is just by creating a Google slideshow and talking over the slideshow. And then to bring this slideshow to life into video, you could download a software that is called OBS Studio, and this is where you can screen record your computer screen, and at the same time you can record your voiceover. Now we're going to jump into the next niche that I have, which is the world of celebrities. But more specifically, we're going to jump into the sub-niche of YouTube celebrities. And this is a niche out there that is relatively new. Now, an example channel of this niche that I have is a channel called SunnyV2. And this channel just makes faceless videos talking about different celebrities and different YouTube stars. And this channel is so popular, in fact, if you head on over to Upwork and you're looking for video editors, people include within their description that they want their videos to look like SunnyV2's. This channel has 1 billion views collectively throughout all of their videos, and they're almost at 4 million subscribers. And then a channel that has really been popping off recently is a channel called King of Nothing. And a video that they posted not too long ago with the thumbnail of Logan Paul looking all evil, and the title of the video is "The Most Evil Man on YouTube." And this video has 1 million views. And what this video essentially is just going over all of Logan Paul's different scandals that he's had over the years. So if you're watching YouTube content out there, you might as well start to make videos about these different creators. All you need to do is just find different clips from the internet and write a script about it, and then just compile all of these different clips together of these different celebrities and content creators. Then you put your voiceover on top of all of that, edit it all together, and you're good to go. And you could even hire a content researcher if you don't want to go through all of the work yourself researching all of these different creators. And I honestly feel like I would be somebody that would be really good at coming up with different content ideas for this niche, as I've been watching a ton of different YouTube channels and different creators for a long time. So if you're interested in it, why not make a faceless YouTube channel about it? And then another sub niche within the celebrity world would be the celebrity scandal niche. Celebrities are constantly in the news, and so many people want to learn about when their favorite movie star got in trouble. Or a celebrity that I see a lot in the news is Taylor Swift, and her and Travis Kelce and the football games that she went to. And so many different channels out there make daily updates on these various celebrities that are trending. But not many channels actually make content where they talk about these scandals that celebrities get into. If you're ever in the world of celebrity news and celebrity gossip, you might notice that scandals always get a lot of views. And I mean, we just saw it with that video of Logan Paul. It has 1 million views, and they're just talking about all of the things that he's done wrong. And like I was saying, not many celebrity channels have a niche that more so revolves around celebrity scandals. And we see these celebrity scandal videos doing very well, so why not create a channel that revolves around it? And especially if you stay in the know with celebrity gossip, this would be a great way to start gaining views on YouTube and making money with it. Now we're gonna be jumping into the next niche, which is a tech niche. And within the tech world, there are so many different problems that need to be solved. Whether it be, how do I fix this bug on my computer, or how do I install this app, or how do I use this app? So the first sub niche that I'm going to talk about within the tech world is tech education. And within today's world, a lot of different programmers and technology developers are learning all of their different tools and skills from YouTube. So if you have the knowledge within the tech world, and it doesn't even have to be anything too crazy, you could potentially create some content about it and make money with it. For example, here is a channel called Net Ninja, and they have over 1 million subscribers, and they talk about anything to do with technology and teach people how to use technology. And within this educational world of technology, there's also a great opportunity to be selling your own software to your viewers. And like I was saying earlier with the making money niche, you could also further on expand the knowledge into a course and teach people more that way. And the next sub niche I want to talk about is the sub-niche of tech gadgets. And this is a great niche that will continue to grow over time because there are so many new technologies being introduced to us every single day. And I remember a little bit ago when the Apple Vision Pro came out, there were so many new reviews being posted on it, and all of these reviews were getting crazy amounts of views because truly not a lot of people were going to buy that product, but they wanted to see how that product worked. So you could be providing different reviews or even tutorials about the newest technology gadgets. And in order to create this content, you don't even have to show your face, or you don't have to necessarily buy these technology gadgets either. You could just find different photos and videos and make slideshows about the pros and cons of this iPhone versus this iPhone. There is a channel called the Top 10 Zone, and within their content, they produce a bunch of different countdown videos. And within some of these videos, they talk about new gadgets, whether this has to do with self-defense gadgets or camping gadgets even. And the good news with this niche is if you're talking up a product or giving a review on a product, then on top of this, you could promote different affiliate links as well. Within the Top 10 Zones channel, a lot of the products that they talk about are actually products within Amazon. And these are products that are more specifically within the Amazon's affiliate program. So if you're starting a gadget review channel, then I highly recommend getting some affiliate links for the products that you are promoting. And also, once you get associated with these different product sellers, then later on within your YouTube channel, they could potentially send you different products to review and pay you for doing so. And all you have to do is just provide this link that they give you within the description of your videos and promote this product, and you are making some really good money. And in the meantime, while you're waiting for that, you could grab your own affiliate links and promote products this way. And when your viewers click on this link and they buy this product, then you get a commission. Now, the next niche we're going to talk about is the real life incidents niche. And this can mean a variety of different sub-niches. But something within the real life incident world that I know a lot of people are interested in is the niche of crime. An example of this niche would be a channel called Dr. Insanity. And they just create a bunch of different content on all of these different crimes that have been caught on camera. And this content is made possible by just using police camera footage. And then all you have to do is explain the backstory and what is happening and then show this footage. And lastly, add your voiceover on top of all of that. And this channel, Dr. Insanity, is getting 25 million views a month. Another sub-niche within the real life incidents world is the natural disaster niche. And an example of a channel within this niche is a channel called Mr. Defied. And he just creates videos about all of these different incidents that have happened with mountain climbers or different cave explorers and all of that sort of stuff. And in order to create this content, all you have to do is find different news articles and stories about these incidents that have happened, and find different clips and pictures of what has happened and include these in your videos, create a little backstory, and simply just explain this story and what has happened. And on top of these pictures, you add your voiceover, edit it all together, and you're good to go again. Another idea would be creating videos that have to do with different storms that have happened. And for me personally, this is something that's very interesting to watch on YouTube. Sometimes I watch videos of different tornadoes, as it's just so interesting to see. And it's also so scary how big some of these storms and tornadoes can get. But again, you could just compile all of these videos of what has happened and these different storms. For example, you could make a video of the top 5 biggest tornadoes that have ever happened, and then just compile all of those different photos and videos, add your voiceover, edit it all together, and it's just as easy as that. Today, we've covered 10 different niches and sub-niches to start making money online with YouTube. If I sparked your interest with this video and you're interested in the world of YouTube and how to create a faceless YouTube channel and make money with it, make sure to click on this video right here. It's my brother's video, and it's basically a free training course where he really just teaches the roots of YouTube and what niches work well and how to make content within those niches. So make sure to click on his video right here. Trust me, you will get a ton of value from it. So make sure to click it right here, don't miss it.